Okay, so we got this situation to handle. So we have to integrate from pi by 6 to pi by 3 root over 1 minus sine 2x. Okay, so just be very slow and look at the question. So we have to manipulate this question. So the question is root over 1 minus sine 2x. So can you write sine 2x as 2 sine x cos x? Okay, I hope till this part you guys are okay. Now look at this. You have sine and cos together. So can I write this one as sine square plus cos square? So it is sine square x plus cos square x minus 2 sine x cos x. Okay, I hope till this part you guys are okay. Now, can I write this thing as root over sine minus cos x whole square? Okay, है ना? Or also if you want to take this thing outside, you know that it will come up with plus minus sign, or we can go with modulus situation. Mod of sin x minus cos x means the question is converted into this thing. Now you have to be little bit careful while handling the situation. Okay, so look at this, how we will handle this part. So we have to integrate from pi by 6 to pi by 3 mod of sin x minus cos x dx. So first let's draw the graph of sin x and cos x in the given room. Okay, so look at this. Suppose I am drawing the graph of sin x. Okay, the graph of sin x is this, है ना? Now we have to draw graph of cos x function. So cos x is this and then this. Okay, now be super slow. At this point these guys are equal. Okay, and this is pi by 4, 45 degree, 1 by root 2. So at this point both are equal. Now you know that you have to handle from 30 to 60, and in between them you have 45. So behind 45 the gray function is bigger than purple function. Okay, so you will be writing cos minus sine. After 45 the purple function is bigger than gray function, so you will be writing sine minus cos. Okay, so can I write down this question as from pi by 6 to pi by 4 cos is bigger, so cos x minus sin x dx plus, in next part you will be writing from pi by 4 to pi by 6, sorry, pi by 3. Okay, the sine function is bigger, so sin x minus cos x dx. Okay, now let's do the integration part and substitute the limit. So we have the difference, integration of cos x is what? Sin x, and integration of sin x is what? Cos x, that too in minus, so minus minus will become plus cos x. Now it's time to substitute the limit, pi by 6 and then pi by 4. Okay, we have differentiation of integration of sin x is what? Minus of cos x. Integration of cos x is sin x. Okay, now can I take this minus common? Okay, so it will become negative, it will become positive. Okay, now it is pi by 4, it is pi by 3. Now let's substitute the limit to find out the final result. So pi by 4, so it is 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2. Now 30 degree, So sine 30 is 1 by 2, but you have minus sign waiting outside. So minus of 1 by 2 minus of root 3 by 2. So this is the part which you got in gray section. Okay. Now, if you will substitute upper limit is 60 degree. Cos 60 is 1 by 2 plus root 3 by 2. Okay. Now 45 minus of 1 by root 2 minus of 1 by root 2, upper limit minus lower limit. Okay. I hope till this part you guys are okay. Now let's open this situation to write down the final result. So it is 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2 minus of 1 by 2 minus of root 3 by 2 minus of 1 by 2 minus of root 3 by 2 plus of 1 by root 2 plus of 1 by root 2. Now you can play fruit ninja and you will find that you will find what? You will find nothing. You have 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2. So it is 4 times 1 by root 2. So 4 by root 2. And then 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 is minus 1. And then minus of 2 times root 3 by 2. So you have to simplify things, this thing gone. So finally you will be getting 2 root 2 minus 1 minus of root 3. So the required result is this. I hope you got the idea, you got the approach, and I wish you guys can handle similar situations. Okay.